What's up, guys? Welcome back to the four-door Civic project. I got the wheels painted in the last video, and we're gonna put some more parts on it today. I just got them in the mail. They just got delivered this week, a couple days ago. So we're gonna get started. Let's go. Alright, so these are the packages I got. These are just some things for looks. Got these headlights, black housing headlights. They look. These are all from eBay, so it's nothing real crazy expensive. I'm not trying to sink $1 million into a $1,500 car. But I got the headlights. And the taillights. Which there's nothing wrong with the headlights and taillights on the car, but I just like the look of these better. Here we got a new grill. Add a little rice to the car. And then I got this lip, all urethane. The reviews weren't the best on it, but it was cheap. And it was only like 30 bucks, so it's not that big of a deal if it breaks or whatever. And then I got these True Heart lowering springs. They're 2.5 inches for the front and 2 1/4 for the back. I didn't want to mess with coilovers or anything. I just bought some springs. I'll just throw them on the stock struts. But we're not going to get to all this today. But I do. Good thing I only paid 30 bucks. But I do want to get the headlights changed. Headlights and taillights. I want to get to them today. And I'll probably throw the grill in since I'm going to have to take it out anyway. So, another reason I'm doing the looks right now is because this motor is completely stock. And I'm not going to do any performance parts to it. The reason being is when I'm done with getting the looks and stuff done, whatever I want to get done with that, I'm going to do a B swap. I'm not sure which one yet. I was thinking a B16, but it's either that or an LS B18, because I might want to do turbo later on, and I know the LS is good for boost. We're going to start by taking the grill out, and then we're going to take the bumper, or just take the side bolts out of the bumper, and that should fall down enough to get the bolt on the headlight. Alright, so now we got the grill out. And I took, there's on each corner of the bumper, there's a little screw and a clip. Just pop that out, take the screw out, and pop it out. And then that'll give you enough room to get in there, change the headlights, get the bolts out. Okay, got one headlight in, got one to go. Alright, so we got the headlights and the taillights in, the grill. I actually already have the lowering springs on. That'll be in the next video. But if you want to follow me, follow this build, this little project I'm doing, it's going to get a lot more interesting later on. So if you want to come with me, join me, hit that subscribe button. Don't cost you anything. Hit that like button, makes me feel better. So I appreciate you guys. See you next time.